Cam Squad, it's sun in my eyes, sun is in my eyes. But yeah, we come back at 4:30. And go finish doing like the little test drive, see how much they want for how much down payment. So we're gonna get back with y'all when we get to our next destination. Peace. I got my eyes done. Range. They ain't really got nothing though. Like I was saying, Benz. Genesis. Ain't really got too much though. Ain't got too much. I got a Tesla right there. No Tesla. BMW, Benz, Audi, Camry, Cadillac. This big old. Yeah, we come back at 4:30. We're gonna do a little test drive, see how we like the Charger, y'all. See how we like it. I don't know. They gonna want a Charger, Camaro. Y'all comment down below which one thing I should get. Charger, Camaro. I've been talking about a Charger for a while. I don't know. We're gonna see how we like the Charger. Then we're gonna see how we like the Camaro. We're gonna test drive both of them. We'll see how we really like them. I really want. Can't really tell y'all. I can't really don't even know for what I want. Cause they got this. They Chrysler hard too though. The Chrysler is hard with them red seats though, but it's not a V8. So, you know, looking for that big boy V8. Ooh, this Camry got red guts. I just seen it through the window. This Camry got red guts up there though. They got a Porsche up here. Hey, my legs tired from walking up this hill. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. My legs tired from walking up this hill. But we early for work. They got green brake covers on there though. Green brake covers. Let's see what they got over here though. What they got over here, y'all, for y'all. Oh, they got a Cadillac S. I think it ain't S. And it ain't a V. Let's see. Somebody blind me. They got an Audi. And they got no accessories out here. They got this Hemi thing right here though. I can't look at that though. They got this Hemi Challenger, y'all. But we come back and test drive it at 4 though. Picking up at 4 is the test drive. So yeah, at 4 o'clock we'll come back to test drive it. I'm finna come back to that one. Oh, they got this other Challenger. Camaro is SS. Told y'all when the SS Camaro, 2 SS. Let's see. It's unlocked. Yes, sir. Ooh, SS, boy. How much want this F for? Oh, they want 46. Yes. 2020 Corvette SS. Yes, I like how they. I don't know. I like this one though. I don't know. This got I think he got a. I like it because. I don't know, but the other one has better seats though. The other one had these seats in it. I get it. I like it. Hemi. Camaro. Alright, seats we got. We got seats straight in here. They all really like basic kind of same thing. We got just RT. Oh, I got basic seats. I hate when I'm having these little basic seats though. They be killing them. Oh, it's a SST, never mind. Still, and this is a RT, like the color. I still got them basic seats. It's Challenger. Challenger look nice, y'all. I'm looking for a Challenger. They got a, I don't know what year it is. What's the RT though? 2021 Charger, Dodge Charger RT. 44, y'all come get it. CarMax. They got 44, they got SS, 46. I like the SS though. But listen, come looking at though. Come looking at this orange thing. Come back at like 4:30. Daytona, and they got a sunroof. Daytona on the seats. But yeah. See? Put to the test. They pay like, you can test drive it and got the but yes sir. We gonna come back. We'll come back at 4 o'clock. We're gonna test drive and see how you like it. I think I want me at the Charger though. I ain't gonna shit to you. I'm on NA140. It's 2018. NA140 though. NA140. Ooh yes. Yes, y'all see it. Dodge Charger Daytona. But yeah, they got 392 for y'all. And got another little Hemi. They got some little, we'll come back 430. Y'all tell me how I look in the Camaro. Y'all tell me. Y'all see me in the Camaro? Well, look at them seats though. I don't know, them seats hard. Y'all tell me how y'all look. Y'all think how y'all look in the Camaro? I be in there. Ooh, Camaro gang. Let's see. Hey, let's see. Can I stick this phone real quick? Hold on. Let's see. It's Camaro gang, yo. I be there. With the paddle shifters, I see it. But yes, sir, I don't know. I want Camaro though. I like Camaros, y'all. Camaros are hard. Camaros are getting hard to me. I like the Camaro. But this Camaro ain't shit to. This Camaro is hard though. Camaro hard and it's red. It's just an RS though. It's RS. They got this Challenger. They got another blue Camaro and they got a Stain. They got a Stain Charger. They got another 300 and just a 300. Oh, this is one I seen. This is one I seen though, y'all. I seen this online last night. Look at these seats. Look at them seats. Them seats crazy. Ooh wee. I seen this online. Last night, and I was like, oh, I like how they got these seats in here. This hard though. I ain't gonna shit to you. This one hard. I like this one though. These red seats. I got no sunroof though, but they got the red seats. Oh snap. Y'all see, you got the red seats though. With the black grill. Let's see how much they want for this one though. How much they want for this one. It don't say. They online still like 20 something or 30. I seen it last night online. I'm gonna ask them how much they want for it. They really ain't got too much. Let's see what they got up here, y'all. Let's see. Let's go walk back here, see what they got. I told y'all we on grind mode all 2022, all summer. Back with the car reviews, back with the car reactions. They got a couple Jeeps up here for y'all. Y'all want a Jeep? Let's see what they got, y'all. This truck hard though. Like how they got the rims in that truck. This truck right here. This truck kind of hard. Truck kind of hard like that. No, it's straight. Let's see what they got up here. Let's see what they got. They got this Hemi. They got this Hemi for y'all. Y'all want for a Hemi. RT. Red and black. That looks fine. They got this Scat. They got a Scat for y'all. Am I looking for a Scat? Then got the Dodge wheels. Am I looking for a Scat? Oh, told y'all. Looking for me what? A Camaro. Let's see. What up, Cam Squad? It's your boy Cam, back again in another video. I say, hold on. Wait a minute. I said, hold on, I'm back again with another lit video. You know what it is, you know what it ain't. Back again on a legendary video. I told y'all I'm gonna start back doing car videos, start back doing car vlogs, car reactions, car reviews. So we back with the car reviews, we back with the car reactions. So hey, but they got this little 2018 Chrysler 300 Limited. I told y'all already, look for no Chrysler though. I want a Camaro, but this Chrysler ain't got no sunroof. Got black seats, it look good though. It look decent, y'all. It looks straight, but we're gonna get straight to the video. Before we get into the video, y'all like, comment, and subscribe, hit that post notification. Cause we on grind mode all 2022. We on straight grind mode. But yeah, I'm not really looking at the Chrysler though. They got Camaro out here. Oh, it didn't mean shit. They got a Camaro out here. I definitely looked at it, but I can't look at this Charger. But we're gonna really walk and see what they got up here though, y'all. We're gonna see what they got. They got a what up, Cam Squad? It's your boy Cam, back again with another video, back again with another lit video. We in that Daytona thing. We in that Daytona thing, y'all. Let me get out first. But we in that Daytona thing. We're gonna do a little POV of driving a Charger Daytona 5.7. Let's do this little POV real quick, y'all, so y'all know. Let's see if we can put this on back down. Put this on back. Ooh, this little POV though. We're driving the Daytona. This Daytona Charger thing. But yeah, we just finna get a little POV of it. But hey, before we get into the video, I need y'all like. I don't know. I'm happy, y'all. Kind of little excited. But I need y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification for you notified when your boy posts. Cause we going up. What? Oh, the rest 2022. We in that thing. We in that Charger thing. But I ain't gonna do too much crazy though. But this is a little POV. This is a little test drive. Trying to see how I like it. So, you know. But yeah, we finna get into this thing real quick. Soon we get out. But we about to get into it real quick. In the herd. But yeah, y'all. I kinda like how it feel. It feels good. I wanna take it down like, you know, university where I can see. It feel real good though. We gonna get this blind. But yeah, it feel real good though. I'm trying to see. But yeah, somebody out there out here chilling though. Well, we finna get back with y'all in a minute. All right. Woo! Boy! Hey, I might gotta give me a Charger, y'all. Boy, this bitch. Man, I might have to give me a Charger. I don't know. I don't know. This thing is running. Hold on, y'all. Boy, I say she running, y'all. She running. Woo. I had it be loud. I don't know what. But yeah, this is my little POV though. Hey, like I said, this whole running. I want a Charger, y'all. I think I gotta give me a Charger. But like, it just like, look, I'm finna give y'all the outside footage of it. Look, outside footage of it. Y'all just see some outside footage of it. Hey, Cam Squad, this is a little outside footage of her. When I say she running, dog, like, boy, she is running, like, running. And then everyone's going. That's why she went around like that. Boy, she running. She running like I don't know what. Man, I gotta get me a Charger or something. Boy. Okay. But yeah, I'm back. But hey, that was so that was the end of my POV, my little point of view of the Charger Daytona Hemi. Like, we gonna get back with y'all when we get back to the dealership. But hey, I love this thing. I love it. I love it. This thing, boy, this thing running like a mom. I said running. This thing is running. But hey, it's your boy on Cam. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification